How to remove account restriction on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can remove account restriction on Facebook. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to remove the account restriction on Facebook, first of all, head over to Facebook and then you need to go to your profile by tapping on it. After this opens up, head over to the settings and this menu opens up. From here, go to Account Center, and from here, scroll down and go over to Personal Details. After that, you'll be finding different options available here. Head over to this Identity Confirmation section, and then you need to confirm your identity. So you just need to go ahead and run ads about social issues, elections, or politics, and protect your account. After that is done, head back, and from the Settings and Privacy, scroll down, and this time, after going to the main menu, go to Help and Support and contact the Facebook team in order to remove your account restriction. So that is how you remove account restriction on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.